What's up everyone, this is Haris from teamandroid.com and here with me I have the new Vivo V15. In our previous video we did a full unboxing of this phone and I showed you what comes inside the box along with the phone. And here in this video I'm going to show you a full tour of how to set up your phone when you take it out of the box for the very first time. So I think without wasting any time, let's get started. For those of you who don't know, this Vivo V15 is powered by the MediaTek P70 processor. It's an octa-core processor. This phone comes with 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB storage. It has a big 4000 mAh battery and has a triple camera setup at the back, along with a 32 megapixels camera for your selfies, and it's here at the top. It's a sliding camera. It's called pop-up camera. So let's get started and power on the phone. There's the button, power button. And it's starting up. And for those of you who don't know, the phone also comes with an assistant button similar to Samsung's Bixby button, but with this button you can actually enable or use Google's assistant. That's pretty neat and useful. So the phone has started. Let me just quickly, so the phone comes with Android 9 Pie, and on top of that you have Vivo's Fun Touch OS. Let's get started. I will go with English. Choose my region, it's already selected. Just a bunch of agreement, we always agree this. So I'll just quickly connect to my Wi-Fi. And done. The first boot always checks for any available updates, and in my case, yes, there is an update. It's 1.10.8. It's 818 MB. Let's just see what are the details. No, I'll enable this later on. Smart upgrade. Want it. So improved camera functions, improved Wi-Fi functions, others. I'll update this later. Let me now log into my Google account. Once that is done, just quickly accept all the terms. Next, the phone will, I think, check for any backups or any previous logins you've done on different phones, so you can restore your backup. No, I want to set it up as a new device. And everything except assistant, no thanks, or maybe I just go with agree. No, I'll just cancel it for now. Next I have to log into my Vivo account. Wait, let me see. I'll just log in with my account. I'm not sure why is it asking for a Vivo account. I think the Vivo also has a similar service to Find My Device. So in case you lose your phone, you're able to get it back, or maybe just to keep a backup of your phone. I don't know. This is done. Next, let's go next. Now I have to choose. These are the security settings. I think I'll go with a pattern for now. It's much easier instead of typing a code. Just enter it once again. So I also have to set my secret answers. So there are 2 questions. What was the name of your primary school? And what was the name of your best friend in childhood? Easy ones. You can even choose a different question if you want. There are like about 20 different questions you can choose from. But I'll just go with the default ones for now. Once this is done, finish, and now I can register my fingerprint. This is the fingerprint sensor at the back. I just have to place my finger. The phone will give a small vibration, and then you just have to lift your finger again multiple times and put it back for the sensor to start recording your fingerprint. And that's it. No, wait, it's asking to scan my fingerprint edges. Wait, yeah. Do it, continue. Put my edge like this. Yep. This part. The left side as well. The bottom part. And yep, my fingerprint is registered successfully. Thank you. And once I'm done with everything, I just need to select join the user experience plan. Sure, no issues. Allow the system user permit. Yeah, smart upgrade. No, I don't want this. Okay. Auto download. No, I don't want this. Okay. Next. Import data. No, I don't want to do anything at the moment. And that's it. Congratulations, your phone has been set up. The phone is ready to use. I like that whistle. I think that's the notification sound. So yeah, the phone is ready to use. Yep, it feels great. I love the wallpaper. It's really bright and vibrant. So yeah, this is it for now. We'll have more about this phone in our full review. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and hit subscribe for more of our videos on the Vivo V15. So till then, bye guys.